Below here, below. Okay, ready. Hey, open the fight, open the fight, open the fight. Open the fight.
Oh,
Where?
Once,
You would carry
push, guys.
clear them.
Perfect timing.
Perfect.
yeah.
Nice spot, nice spot.
Choco, polo.
PVP. Fuck the boss na, PVP la. Yeah. Hey, I got. Don't worry. 13 pesos hours already. I got snip. CJ, nice. Woo!
Just kill.
Wow. Careful, Coron. Go from 3F, go 3F. Wait, I'll check 3F. 3F clear. 3F. Go. 2F is not clear for sure. Should we run to the retro? I think we can TP. We can TP to retro, I think they still on it. Yeah, retro clear. Go. Retro clear. Yup, that's why I keep calling, guys. Go 3F. No need to bother already. We know already where they are. Come on, go 3F. Go red.
Two gray lang.
Ah, my God.
Actually. Oh, not gonna TP. How is it? Is it ours or no?
Yeah, it's ours.
Not gonna TP, guys.
They come.
They coming here. They coming.
Worry.
Dead. Boss.
First boss.
We can bust now.
Yeah, two boss lang. Nice.
Kill them. Quick.
Ah, toko ko na. Mati lagi.
58, L7. After this clash, go L7.
Looking for GBD in PvP.
Nagtatype pa habang nagtatype tayo. PPT, nice! Catch the wing!
That
Catch the wing! Oh, go, L7 now.
Go L7 guys.
Let's take the RG spot.
Same spot.
Yeah, same. The 58.
Both really.
No, not really. 58, really. See if there's enemy, guys. Okay, I'm holding your group.
Really spawn.
Burst lang natin, mabilisan din. Naman sila sa server, kita naman natin kung pumasok.
99 ball.
Okay, pasok ka sa party. Yes, guys, stop calling. I already say. Iya, one call off, one commander off. Coron next. There's no enemy, we can see them though. It's the luck of my life. Oh! What the fuck? Oh! I got this skin already, I feel in the night. No need, no lie. Lando. HBT dead. Stupid. God Sniper. Oh, Shadow Snipe. Oh. Wee!
Bakit
Oh,
ka
come on, RJ, come on, here. Push it, me. They still low. Ah, I'm gonna tag them. They're not ready, guys. They're not ready. Push. Push, they're not ready. Come on. Oh, nice hook, Kellen, nice hook. Let's focus HPT, don't worry. HPT, good job. Big gun soon. Ay.
Winning yan.
Yes, sir. Ay, magad si HPT ba? Wala na yun.
Namak ko si Ian.
Bili oh. Kapanggap oh.
Pretty boy.
Wala. May sakit yung HP ko. Wala kang orb eh. Nag-yung po sabi, bibig kayo. Oh, yan, may one yan ka. Bitil.
Kita mo yung flap? Tangin na,
Backline.
mga highlight.
O backline yan boy. Pag iniwan yung backline mga yan. Kuning. Ay.
Come back to backline, guys.
Mira. Dalis namin sa HPT.
Ano pala gawin ko boy? Ako yung nasusunod sa gitna. I got distracted on me. Takip sa range boy.
Jump to 30. PPT. Kuha ko yung melee, hindi sila makagalaw talaga.
Dito na naman.
Yung likod natin. Chubite oh.
Eh, kayo pala kay HPT. Tatak ko lahat ng hits. Wipe sila boy. Wipe to boy. Connect.
Dito sila sa taas.
Push them. Huwag mo pa-RG, magsuspo na boss. Magta-try sila naka-boss no? Sing lang tayo.
Likod natin oh.
Fighting.
Nabarag.
Kaya ako. Wait na.
Huli oh.
Boy.
Isang libo.
Gubili boy. Wipe again! Come on! Good!
Nagbibideo pala kaya madami lagi.
Shout. Mga shout kayo guys.
Okay yan. Kita na lang ang nakukuha. Lose without pop.
Kanya, kasi kanya. Mga nakalive. Nagsabi mo, Ninoy Boys. Ninoy Boys. Yan, ganyan ninyo.
Not found na boy.
Umuwi. Malaya.
Umuwi. Digan.
Umuwi. Parang...
Kaya madami boy, nagla-live pala boy.
Hindi, kita sa live niya boy. Yung tado nila boy. Kapitoan. P80 39, check. I'll go first, Green TP. Ready, okay? Ready?
Okay, clock.
Going first, Green TP. Save. Come on.
Check it out guys, you're gonna get...
Oh!
Uy, dami.
Pero up. Dias TP.
Party boy.
Party. Pasok. Party.
Almost here.
Wow.
May hindi natin anting.
Clear them first.
There's nothing. There. Roll flap.
They still have that.
I'm tryna put you in the worst mood. He want cleaner than your church shoes. Millie point two just to hurt you. All red line just to tease you.